Can a person be arrested for a DUI under 0.08? Yes, absolutely. So Indiana has multiple legal limits. The first one is 0.15 or above. The second one is 0.08 or above. The third one is having some sort of drug or metabolite of the drug in your system. And the fourth, the least well-known of all the legal limits, is this relevant evidence of intoxication, which is 0.05, 0.06, 0.07. And what that means is, at trial, either by a judge or a jury, the finder of fact, again, judge the jury, can say, hey, they blew a 0.05, 0.06, 0.07. We get to hear about it, and we get to listen to that number with how they act. So you typically will see 0.05, 0.06, 0.07 if for some reason the officer's just mad. Maybe a person pulled out in front of the officer or wasn't going fast enough, or even brake checked the officer, and the officer gets out of the car, pulls him over, and they're 0.07. They can charge you with DUI if they want to. Now, the big difference between a 0.08, 0.15, and 0.05, 0.06, 0.07 is the officer does not have to arrest you at that time. The law in Indiana is pretty clear. If an officer has a breath or blood reading of 0.08 or above, they must arrest that person and charge them with DUI. There's no discretion. But if the person's 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, they do not have to arrest that person. And so typically in those situations, what we've seen is officers sending the person home, say, hey, look in the mail, we're gonna give it to the prosecutor. The prosecutor can decide, unless the officer is really mad and they're really pushing for it. So yes, a person can be arrested, they can be charged with a 0.05, 0.06, 0.07. And you can even get lower if you 0.04 with some medication. So you absolutely can face a DUI under 0.08. If you have any questions about DUI, give us a call, 317-632-3642. Love talking about DUI defense. In fact, we'll talk about it all day. But most importantly, remember, always plead the fifth.